Okay, is this palette used? What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, none other, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, per you all's request, we are going to be unboxing BoxyCharm's base box. Now, I did a poll on my community tab and you guys wanted to see what I got in this box for the month. So if you want to see what's in July's BoxyCharm, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if BoxyCharm did you right or nah. What's up, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have now entered into my bomb ass unboxing world. Baby, where else should you be other than right here with me unboxing BoxyCharm? Y'all already know our history. I'm not even going to go into that today, but I tell you what, if I don't have no good stuff in this box, I feel a rant coming on, and y'all know how I get down. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys so much. Today for my drink, girl, we got a little water. And I'm sure y'all can hear that it's raining outside. You know, the weather will never just let me be great, right? Girl, I know. This is the base box. This is the $25 a month subscription. You get 5 full-size beauty products in your box, and it's supposed to have a value of $125. There's a link down below, guys, if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm. And yeah, they do let you customize one item each month, and I'm telling you, they have to make choice a little simpler. I will put the link below for the website that I use to pick my choice, because once I got online, I just could not find it anywhere. So one of my Instagram people let me know, hey, look, if you go to this website, you can get it quicker. So I will link that down below. It's also linked in my community tab as well, guys. So without further ado, y'all know what we gonna do, right? Let's get this box on and popping, boo. Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? I'm feeling fancy today, y'all. Okay, so I did not peek into this box. I didn't even open it yet. I want it to be a genuine surprise when we unbox it. So let's grab our box cutter. Okay, y'all, fingers crossed that BoxyCharm has improved. Please, y'all, let's go. When we open the box up, says BoxyCharm on the top here, also Hello Charmer. So the theme for the month is sunshine right there, guys. And I have a variation number 38 right there in the corner. So let's just go. Up first, guys, I am seeing from Grace and Stella. This is the It's an Energy Drink for Your Eyes eye mask. And I've never heard of this brand before. Maybe I did, I don't know. This is an anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Y'all, I do love these because on the weekends that I'm off, I always try to do a facial. So this is something that I could definitely use. Let's open it up so I can see what they look like. So this is the box without the plastic on. And let's see, guys. Oh, you get 12 pairs. Wow. Okay. I think I got this in a box before. Maybe Glow Addict or something. I don't remember. But I did use these and I did like the way they made my under eyes look. So, okay. I am actually excited for this product. And like I said, you get 12 pairs in here. So that is a pretty nice amount. So what you can do is once you use these, I like to put them in the fridge, stick them back in there, and try to get at least 2 good wears out of these things, girl. That's how TonyaNicole rolls. So let's see the retail price on this. And this, guys, is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. And this retails for $21. So it says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Girl, yes. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all right now I'm using this. Oh yeah, absolutely. So I like that one. Okay, BoxyCharm, y'all starting off okay. Next up we have, what is this? A quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner here. And this is by the company Lavish. Okay, I did see this as one of the spoilers. That's what it looks like on the side. On the inside, guys, it's like this black foam that you would take once you use your eye brushes. I think it only works for eye brushes. You would take it and wipe it off just to get any color that was left on your brush off before you apply your next color. So, I mean, I have one of these, but a backup is always good to have. For the base box, I'm not mad that it's in there. If it would have been in my premium box, now that would have been an issue. So this is not bad to have. The Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleanser, and it retails for $20. Okay, now I think I bought mine at TJ Maxx for like $6. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. So next up we have, okay, I'm excited for this one, guys. The Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Ooh, okay. Now I did see that they also had the eyeshadow from Hourglass. I really would have liked that, but I'm not mad at receiving this. It's in the shade Soft Brunette. So let's see what that looks like, because I don't know if that's going to match my brows. Yeah, I like that, guys. This is a really, really, really cute. This is the pencil side. It does come with a little spoolie right here. And let's see the pencil. Oh, I don't know, guys. Oh, that looks a little light. We're going to swatch it and see, because if not, I can give it to my mom. Oh, it broke. Okay, so it's very thin. It's not good. Oh no, this is a little ashy for my liking. Oh, and it's okay. So this probably, y'all, can y'all see that? It's right here, guys. It's very light and kind of dry, but I may be able to use this to kind of like outline my brows and not exactly fill them in with this. So let's see what this retails for. This is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and it retails for $28. Okay, so it says this is an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for micro blade worthy effects without the blade. Okay, it has a 1.4 millimeter tip, which provides complete control for naturally defined brows. And I told you guys this was $28. Next up, guys, is the product that I chose, and it's the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, and that's what the box looks like right there, guys. Now, last month when I went on Choice to try to choose my item, I could not because everything was sold out. Oh, this is a little bitty bottle. You get 20 milliliters of product in here. This is teeny tiny for your face. I'm gonna look and see what it's about. Let me smell it first. Let's see. Oh, it's child-proof, adult-proof? Why? How you open it? Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, it comes with this little dropper, guys, and it's just like a serum. It doesn't really have a scent. It's maybe a light fragrance scent, but I don't really smell anything, but it is a teeny tiny bottle. And let's see what it says on here. The 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution. What is blue light pollution, y'all? Because I don't know. Through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Girl. And this retails for $135. $135? Come on, y'all. For 20 milliliters of product. This better instantly make me look like something. And last but not least, we have finally, BoxyCharm gave us a palette. I mean, girl, it's been like 3-4 months. My goodness. Oh, it's the Pure Festival one. I was hoping for another one, but this one is okay. The packaging is gorgeous. I'm just not a real fan of Pure's formula, but we shall see. This is a beautiful palette, though. The packaging is pretty. The back looks very pretty. So let's see. That's what it looks like when it comes out of the box, guys. And when we open it up, Girl. We have a mirror. Hey, but oh, okay. Is this palette used? Hold up. Okay, y'all. I don't know if this is an old palette, but they had no shield over it. Do y'all see how it looks kind of dirty on the side and it's dirty on the mirror? Like, can y'all see that? I don't know. It just looks, it has the black shade broke down here in the bottom. This looks like an old used palette. The mirror, guys, I hope y'all could see. It's like filthy, dirty with fingerprints all over it. And then there's no shield, no plastic covering over here. Oh my God, BoxyCharm, really? I need somebody to tell me in the comments below when this palette came out. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it because I can't gift this because, oh, the black is just, ugh. BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm. That's how some of those colors swatched out, guys. I'll do this purple shade right here too. That's it right there. It's pretty. I just, oh, I'm so disappointed because it just looks like an old palette. Let me just see how much this retails for. The Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $36. I'm gonna say brand new. This one is used, so we're gonna put it at maybe $19. I don't know. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in this month's BoxyCharm. We're gonna quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this festival palette from Pure Cosmetics here. From Lavish, the quick color switch brush cleaner here. From 111 Skin, this NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. From Hourglass, this brow micro sculpting pencil here. And from Grace and Stella, these eye masks right here. It's these 5 products right here, guys. Final thoughts on my base box. Well, BoxyCharm was doing excellent. They were on a great track with me until I saw this. Now, I am going to email them about this and ask them because this palette really looked used. Or I'm not going to say used, but it looked like it's been in somebody's warehouse for a very long time and it just looks old. I don't like that. I don't. So they were on a track of getting like 4 stars today, but they just lost one for this because I just don't like, I don't know about this palette. The rest of the products, I am very pleased to receive. The eye mask, the Hourglass pencil, the 111 Skin stuff that I will not repurchase, but hey, it's worth a shot for $135, right? Absolutely. And this color switch thing here, 4 out of the 5 is not a terrible box, but I've waited 3 months to get a palette, and this is the palette that I get. And I'm not really happy about that. So yeah, no. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it back to the damn festival. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give BoxyCharm for the month of July a whopping 3 for the month. I would go even 3.5, but I'm very upset about this palette, y'all. I mean, I probably still could use it, but I just don't like that it didn't come with a little plastic piece on the top, and it just looked old. So, but overall, I thought it was a pretty decent month compared to the last few months. I think this one is actually a pretty good box. So let me know down below in the comments what you got in your BoxyCharm. Let me know if you received the Pure Festival palette, if yours looked like mine, or if yours was in a little better condition. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. BoxyCharm's link is down below as well if you want to sign up for them. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's discuss our boxes in the comments. Y'all know I love comment time. So that's all I have today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in the comments below and on my next video. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you guys later. Bye.